I'm Dave Norman. I'm a CAE integration technical specialist and I work for Polestar. I've been a user of the Oasys LS-DYNA environment for most of my career, 30 years or so or more. And I remember in the early days, actually, DYNA was not very commercial code. It was more of a research type of code. And Arup were one of the first companies, certainly in the UK, who developed it into commercial code. And they wrote t-his and d3 plot. There wasn't primer in those days. And in order that people using their software could actually look at the results in a really good way. So I remember some of the very first versions of t-his and d3 plot. And very powerful sort of post-processing tools without going wrong or bugs in them. And over the years, you know, obviously the software's come along a long way, and it's got a lot more focused on automation now and being able to do difficult tasks really quickly. I think the features of the Oasys software that stand out for me compared to a lot of other pre and post processing is how much effort is put into automation and speed and the kind of mass production of simulations, modelling them and getting the results. And when you're doing a lot of work on very big models, there's no other software that compares with it. The software has massively improved my productivity and my workflows through the ability to check the models, really big complicated models, to check them really efficiently so that I can identify why they're not working. And also in the kind of mass production of results and big models, it's very efficient at doing that. I think what stands the Oasys LS-DYNA software out from other competitors for me is the focus on automation and enabling the user to process their models really efficiently and quickly. And it's like bringing mass production into the area of CAE and being able to do tasks quickly and efficiently. But for me, that's why Oasys software is so good.